Hi, I'm Tony Mead with CCN. I'm here at Oak Crest Institute of Science, where they developed a device that might be a major breakthrough in HIV prevention.
At this moment, the greatest risk of contracting HIV occurs in sub-Saharan Africa, where we estimate around 7,000 people a day become infected with HIV. So these are staggering proportions.
Dr. Mark Baum, president and founder of Oak Crest Institute of Science in Pasadena, and a team of researchers and scientists has spent more than 10 years developing and researching a device they say could revolutionize the prevention and treatment of HIV. The Institute recently received a $20 million grant to stop HIV in its tracks. Baum says he works in prevention because of the options available to keep the infection from happening.
We started off looking at mother-to-child prevention. This is preventing infants from contracting HIV from the breast milk of their mothers. These are all for sub-Saharan Africa. And we've worked on vaginal rings to prevent HIV infection in women, obviously. Looking at the developing world, and more recently, we've been working on implantable devices.
Dr. Baum says here at Oak Crest, the team works together and learns from each other. They've developed this match-like device that they say has successfully delivered a controlled, sustained release of antiretroviral, or ARV, drugs for up to 40 days in a small animal study. They used beagle dogs and found that the canines had no adverse side effects. Scientists here say the plan is to design the tiny device to work long-term.
We have developed a very small matchstick-sized device that can be implanted kind of like a contraceptive implant underneath the upper arm. A very easy procedure to implant and remove. And we hope that we can develop this product to actually confer 1 year of protection from a single device.
The device is about 4 centimeters long, and it's made of silicone and PVA coated. It has a couple of release windows that would remove the drug that's packed inside the device from inside into the animal model.
The team is still working on the prototype. Their plan is to develop the device for FDA approval. Baum says, unfortunately, they have to keep using animals for these studies for the next few years. He says although results have been extremely successful with dogs, they need to take a few more steps before they can begin testing the product on humans.
Once we've reached that milestone, we can go to the FDA and start doing studies in people. And that should be then going relatively quickly because we're using a package that has components that already are FDA approved. So the drug is close to being FDA approved, and the polymers and materials that we're using are all FDA approved.
To stay current with Oak Crest news and events, visit their website at oak-crest.org. In Pasadena, Tony Mead, CCN.